I'm an adult, you know.
I have a question.
What is it, Tomo?
When it comes to adult relationships, is it all like pervy and stuff?
Yeah, it's pervy and then some.
Ooh, like what?
Well, for example...
What? Hey, what did that just mean?
Be quiet and listen. You'll understand it when you grow up.
Oh, my head hurts. But why on earth? Oh, Miss Sakaki, morning.
Oh, good morning. Are you all right, Miss Kurosawa?
What do you mean?
Oh, and Miss Kurosawa, I have a question for you.
What is it?
I don't get it. Could you explain it to me?
Yo-chan, where on earth did you learn about all that?
You, from you.
Oh, Miss Kurosawa. Good morning to you.
I really wanted to thank you for last night.
It was extremely educational. Miss Kurosawa, I admire you.
I can't thank you enough, Coach.
What? What's this all about, huh? Yukari?